Today I am going to give you a brief review about the India's first most durable smartphone. One important thing related to this model is that it is the first model available in India that has IP69 rating.
This is Oppo F27 Pro Plus. IP69 rating is the highest level of dust proof and water protection available till date. Waterproof against high temperature and high pressure jet sprays.
Not just this one, there are many special features about this model. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel, click all notifications button. Related to display, it has 6.7-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus display and it is 3D curved display. Not just that, there are some smartphones that are available across the world where they are IP69 rated, but they don't have a proper protection for the display. But this stands out from those models. It has not just IP69 rating, it also has 360-degree armor protection. That is, it has a all-round protection. And if you speak about the display protection, it has Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, and it covers from edge to edge all the sides so that it gives 360-degree protection. And not just that, it has a metal frame, middle frame, and a premium leather back design that stands out and gives your style statement. So this is about the display. Now coming to the processor, it has MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor. It has a clock speed of 2.6 GHz. So that is the primary clock speed. Whereas the secondary clock speed, it has 2 GHz secondary clock speed. And it is a 6 nanometer octa-core processor. So this is enough to perform most of the daily activities, including the social media, and also able to perform some demanding tasks also, like video editing and some other gaming options. What I like in this smartphone is that first thing is IP69 rating, and the next thing is the 360-degree armor protection along with screen guard, that is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 screen guard. So these three features make me happy to buy this model. So let me know your interest in the comments. Coming to the camera segment, it has a rear camera of 64 megapixel main camera and 2 megapixel portrait camera. So the 64 megapixel main camera is Omni Vision camera, so which is a 6p lens and 1/2-inch size, and the other one is 2 megapixel portrait camera. It is also Omni Vision camera. And coming to the front camera, it has 8 megapixel front camera. So I will provide you some samples from both the cameras also. Right. So this is the design, and it has another color also, dusk pink color,
And this is midnight navy color.